Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable automations for workflow approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Select the base where you want to set up automations. Navigate to the Automations tab located at the top of your screen. Click on the Create an Automation button. Choose a trigger for your automation. For workflow approvals, a common trigger is when a record enters a view. Select the appropriate table where your records are stored. Define the view that will trigger the automation. Click Add Action to specify what happens next. A good action for approvals is send an email. Fill in the recipient's email address. Customize the subject line to reflect the approval request. In the message body, include details from the record that needs approval. You can use dynamic fields from your base by clicking the plus icon. Next, click Test Action to make sure everything is set up correctly. Once tested successfully, click Turn On at the top right corner. Your automation will now be active and ready to send approval requests automatically. To edit or stop the automation, return to the Automations tab anytime. Always monitor the performance to ensure it's meeting your workflow needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.